Okay guys, so it's very easy to determine your land area online using Google Earth Pro version. Let me just click this icon and then I'm going to navigate to the search box. There I'm going to type GCT Swabi. Okay, you have to type the place for which you are looking and then I'm going to click this search. Google Earth will navigate to that place. Okay, let's just wait for that. Alright. Okay, then I'm going to do little zooming just to bring my place and I'm going to click this north icon so it's okay. And okay, let's say this is my boundary, as you can see this one, and then there are two places from which you can determine the land area. One can be this polygon option and another one this show ruler option. Let me just click this show ruler, and as you can see a dialog box appear and there we have different tabs. As you can see, polygon is also available, and under that we have parameter and then the area. Okay, let me just specify my location. You can say from here I can start clicking. As you can see that, okay, you have to just specify your boundary very carefully. Okay, let's say this is the boundary of the Government College of Technology, Sawabi. Once you are done, you have to just navigate again and you have to look over here. As you can see the perimeter, that's 90313, but that's in centimeter. Let me just switch that into meters, and as you can see that's now 903 meters. And then as you can see in the area, that's in square kilometer. I'm going to switch that into you can say square feet, square yards, etc. Different are available over here. And that's, of course, you can see 530205 square feet in square yard. That's different. Again, so simple. All right, I'm going to just clear that. And as you can see, another option which is polygon, you can click that, and then of course you can specify the position. Okay, just like that as I'm clicking. Okay, I'm not clicking the same area because I want the figures to be little different. Let's say that's my boundary, and as you can see, I'm going to name this as GCT Swabi, and as you can see different other tabs are available, styles, you can change these things, but I'm not working with that. Our approach is to look for the measurements, and as you can see in the measurements, the parameter and the area, that's in square mile. That's why it's 0, because square mile can be very big value. So I'm going to switch that into square meters, which is of course, as you can see, this one. Okay, 60103 square meters. So simple, right? Just go ahead and download Google Earth Pro version and do it. Thank you for watching.